Hey everyone, welcome to Vegworks. Today I'm making falafel and hummus. A falafel is a Middle Eastern street food, something like the Indian vada, and it is generally served with pita bread. But you can use your imagination and serve it any way you want. Hummus is a spread or a dip that goes with it. So let's get started. We require some chickpeas. I've taken about 300 grams. We need to soak it overnight. Then we require 1 onion chopped, 5 to 6 flakes of garlic, some coriander leaves and some parsley. We need to grind this to a coarse batter without adding water. The batter is now ready. We need to add in some salt according to your taste, some pepper, some cumin powder. We'll give this a good mix. At this stage, if you want, you can keep it in the fridge and take it out later whenever you want to fry the falafel. Now when you're ready to fry, you need to add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Now this baking soda will make it crisp and the baking powder will make it puff up. And because it has both baking powder and baking soda, you can bake it for about 30 minutes at 180 degrees. It's a more healthier way of making the falafel instead of deep frying. But today I'm not baking, I'm deep frying. We need to take a spoonful of the batter and we need to make it into a round, a ball, and tap it lightly. You can shape it like this, and you can also shape it into a ball. Yeah. So let's start frying. The oil is hot. The falafels are done and can be removed on an absorbent paper. We can make some more, some smaller ones and some round ones. The falafels are ready. They are in different shapes here, just to show you how it can be made. If you make the round one, you can insert a toothpick and make it a cocktail snack. You could even place these round ones on a small pita bread and serve it as a canapé. The large ones can be served just like that. The smaller ones can be put inside a pita bread sandwich or a pita bread wrap. So let's start with the hummus. We require some chickpeas. We need to soak this overnight and then boil it. We can boil it in the pressure cooker or you can boil it in whichever way you want. Once it cools, we need to remove the skin. The hummus is to be a very smooth paste, so the skin will give it a texture and we don't want that. So we need to remove the skin like this. Then we require some garlic, some cumin powder. Now this is tahina. Tahina is nothing but roasted white sesame seeds ground with water. Now this is an important component of the hummus. We also require some salt according to your taste and the juice of 1 lime. Now we need to grind all this with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of water. We'll start with this and then add in the chickpeas a little at a time. The hummus is ground and it is ready. Now we can garnish it, but before that we need to make a small depression in the middle. We'll pour some olive oil, drop in some chickpeas, one or two olive pieces for the color, and parsley or mint for the green color. Finally, we'll sprinkle some paprika and the hummus is ready to be served with the falafel.